Hi, it's Cynthia with Robbins Investment Group. Let's dive into the latest design trends that are redefining upscale living in luxury homes. Imagine yourself standing in front of a grand, majestic mansion surrounded by lush greenery and breathtaking views. This is the epitome of luxury living, where every detail is meticulously crafted to provide the ultimate comfort and sophistication. Upscale living in luxury homes is the ultimate status symbol, a reflection of one's success and refinement. It's a lifestyle that's coveted by many and attained by few. But what makes luxury homes truly exceptional is the attention to detail, the commitment to excellence, and the willingness to push the boundaries of innovation and design. Staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of luxury home design is a challenge that requires creativity, vision, and a deep understanding of what makes a home truly exceptional. The most discerning homeowners demand the best, and it's up to designers and architects to deliver. With the rise of new technologies, sustainable materials, and innovative design approaches, the possibilities are endless. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to navigate the latest trends and must-haves. That's why it's essential to stay informed about the latest design trends that are redefining upscale living in luxury homes. From smart home technology to sustainable materials, these innovations are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. By embracing these trends, homeowners can create a living space that's not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also functional, sustainable, and tailored to their unique needs and preferences. One of the most significant trends shaping the future of luxury living is the integration of smart home technology. Imagine waking up to a soothing melody with the lights gradually brightening to simulate a sunrise. Or picture yourself arriving home to a warm, cozy atmosphere with the temperature, lighting, and music all perfectly adjusted to your liking. This level of customization and convenience is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's a reality that's already here. Another trend that's gaining traction is the use of sustainable materials in luxury home design. From reclaimed wood to low-carbon concrete, these materials not only reduce the environmental impact of building and maintaining a home, but they also add a level of authenticity and character that's hard to replicate with traditional materials. And let's not forget about the importance of natural light, which is being incorporated in innovative ways to reduce energy consumption and create a sense of connection to the outdoors. As we move forward in the world of luxury home design, we can expect to see even more emphasis on wellness and sustainability and technological integration. Let's take a closer look at a stunning before and after transformation of a luxury home that showcases the impact of incorporating these design trends. This breathtaking transformation is a testament to the power of innovative design in cutting-edge technology. By incorporating smart home features, sustainable materials, and a deep understanding of the homeowner's needs and preferences, the designers were able to create a living space that's truly exceptional. The result is a home that's not only visually stunning, but also functional, efficient, and deeply personalized. As we've seen, the latest design trends are revolutionizing the world of luxury home design. From smart home technology to sustainable materials, these innovations are shaping the future of upscale living. By embracing these trends, homeowners can create a living space that's truly exceptional, one that reflects their personality, meets their needs, and exceeds their expectations. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the latest design trends, redefining upscale living in luxury homes. If you have a favorite design trend that you think deserves more attention, share it with us in the comments below. And if you're as passionate about luxury home living as I am, be sure to subscribe for more videos and behind-the-scenes insights into the world of high-end design.